Hi class, for this lab, we can actually use the result from the previous lab. And this is the basic idea. So your first picture is going to consist of a data set. So in this case, you can actually just enter that same data set. If you modified it, it's fine. And the sort command, what it's going to do is actually going to do the following. So this is going to actually work in chapter 2 and the later chapters. So given a data set, and sometimes if you look at the data set, you don't have much choice on how the numbers are given. So the sort command, what it does is it basically is going to organize the data set from min to max. And you'll see how that is actually very efficient as soon as we start the actual graphs for the chapter. So your first picture, I want to see the data set that you're looking at. Now, let me show you the sort command. The commands for the sort command, you're going to do stats, and then you simply go to sort A. Sort A is going to do all values from min to max, and sort D is going to do it backwards. So all you have to do is sort A, hit enter. Now the calculator is now asking, what is it that we're going to sort? Well, we only have elements under L1. So oops, let me go back and hit second and L1. Give me just a second. Okay, sorry about that. So it's going to be sort A, and we want second and L1. There we go. I'm not sure what was actually popping up. I think it's the pen on the computer. And then simply hit enter. Once you see that done, that means that the actual command has been executed. Then I need you to submit the second picture, and I want to see L1, but L1 is going to now be modified. Now, the sort that we really need is just sort A, and what it does is it's going to give you the values from min all the way to max. You'll see how this actually works, and it helps us for the later chapters. So your first picture, basically the data set that you enter, or enter the data set again if you modified it, and then sort it. I want to see basically in the second picture that the data set is from min to max. That would be it. So your second picture will be here as you're basically running the data set, and the calculator is organizing it.